get on the morning train. No inspiration, but a decent pay. Samuel, a modern machine. He's got a lot of friends that don't reply. It seems they're bored with never having time. Takes these cell phone bills that help with life, and watch is making women making love. Welcome to our culture, indivisible. Welcome to our culture, indivisible. Welcome to our culture, indivisible. Another heartache to another day. Amelia swore she never lived this way. You make a countess in her maiden name, wondering how a bank became more reliable than love. Unpacks her bags and asks the glass to pass, so attacking her tonight. Taps the glass, the tags her as she tracks who actually likes her, and the light is right. Breast is sad, her chest is tragically in need of something drastic. Call the plastic surgeon, please. The surgeon is hell, it's an emergency. This vagrant searching cheese on empty suburban streets. A vacant person, keys and worthless dreams. Too busted up like a lonely hitchhiker, thumbing for a lift. Welcome to our culture, indivisible. Welcome to our culture, indivisible. Welcome to our culture, indivisible. They build us as the freedom fighters. They build us as the freedom fighters. They built us as the freedom fighters.
I can stop when I want to, can stop when I wish, can stop, stop, stop anytime. And what a good feeling to feel like this, and know that the feeling is really mine. Know that there's something deep inside that helps us become what we can. For a girl can be someday a lady, and a boy can be someday a man.
Welcome to our culture. Welcome to our culture, indivisible. Indivisible. Welcome to our culture. Welcome to our culture, indivisible.
Some way, somehow, I will rebuild you, build you. Some way, somehow, I will rebuild you, build you. Oh, some way, somehow, I will rebuild you, build you. Oh, some